Here's a One Earth film by Students of the World filmmaker Connor Murdoch of Boston, Massachusetts.
It all started with my great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandpa, Sir Henry the Gull. It was a little event you humans like to call the Boston Tea Party. He called it dumping a bunch of stuff in the water that you shouldn't be. There's good old Aunt Galtunia. She was a bit senile in her later days because she ate too many wood chips. But that's not the point. The point is, a lot of things changed in the 1800s. Global trade went up drastically, and because of that, the Boston Harbor was used much more frequently, leading to excessive pollution. Unfortunately for my ancestors, the conditions didn't get better. In fact, they got worse. Fast forward a bunch of years, and you get my mom. Oh, isn't she beautiful? The conditions were so bad that Boston was known for its dirty water. That wasn't until the Clean Water Act of 1972 and many other reforms that happened in the 80s. Things started to change then. And now we're here, in 2014. Yep, that's me. Just a seagull living in a clean watershed. Isn't that beautiful?